Hi, my name is Adi Suresh. I'm the Director of Product Management out of the Specialty Fiber Business Unit for Coherent. Today I'm excited to show you our AxioView fiber assembly product line. This is a fiber assembly that is used for intravascular imaging. And what we are displaying here is a fiber assembly with a connector and a distal tip. And as you can see, this fiber has dispersion control, which gives you very high contrast, high resolution images. And it also has a pure silica core, which makes that fiber radiation resistant to enable that for multiple sterilization modalities. You can also see that the fiber has 80 micron diameters, which makes it very, very small, perfect for tortuous anatomies. And we also make this fiber with a lot of different distal tip designs to make that compatible with most customer deployments, whether it is frontal emission, side emission, or radial emission. So if you want to learn more about this product, please reach out to us or visit our website, and we'll be happy to discuss that with you. Thank you.